Oh, hey guys! Today I'm working on some line collages, and I'm using lines that have movement. So what I mean by that is that it's not just a straight line, it's a line that goes over and up, over and down, over and up, over and down, or it could be a line that goes diagonal and then diagonal again, like a zigzag line, like this one. Or it could be a wavy line, like the one that I've drawn here, over and curving and down and curve and over and curve. Or it could be, I think of this as like a castle line, so it goes over and up, over, down, over and up. So how I did this was I first used a pencil to draw my lines, and then I used my scissors to cut my paper. Now when you're using your scissors, one of the things that I want you to remember is your thumb goes in the small hole, and then your two middle fingers go in to the other hole. This way you'll have more control when you're cutting. And when you cut, keep your elbow by your side and then turn the paper. This will help you so that you get nice, even lines. Let's take a closer look. Place your thumb in the small hole and then your two middle fingers in the other hole. Keeping your elbow by your side and your scissors cutting straight, turn the paper as you cut. The last final tip that I want to give you today is when you're using your glue. If you're using the wet glue like this, you just turn the top like so. And we've practiced this in the classroom. When you're applying your glue, remember that just a dot will do. Gently squeeze the bottle and place small dots of glue on the back side of the paper. Let's take a look at how I created this line movement collage. The materials you'll need for this project are scissors, pencil, glue, and colored paper. Start by drawing a moving line across your paper, then cut along the line. Remember to hold your scissors correctly and cut straight, turning the paper. Use just a dot of glue. Paste your cut pieces of paper onto a larger sheet. Okay guys, now that you've seen me demonstrate how to create your own line movement collage, I can't wait to see what you come up with. Have fun, be creative, and I hope to see you soon. Stay safe. Bye.